anybody can say what he likes, anybody can claim what he likes. But if Abure-led faction, the names of whoever they are putting there is on the ballot, then it means that this country is in serious crisis. It means that there is no more rule of law in this country called Nigeria. It means that we have entered the jungle. Are you getting it? If a situation where somebody can just come up and refuse to, abide and respect the ruling of the highest court of the land. So I don't think that anybody needs to bother himself about what the Abure-led faction is saying. When we get to the bridge, when the chips are down, we will know whose name is on the ballot and whose name is not on the ballot. So there's no issue about that.
Okay. Your principal, His Excellency Peter, ascribed to the coalition and the ADC. And is he still a member of the Labour Party?
I should ask you that question. Has he resigned from Labour Party? Because if he has resigned, everybody will know. Are you getting it? And also, let me tell you, we of Labour Party, the Nena D. Osman-led Labour Party, we have said it that we're going to go into coalition. The important thing is to save this country, to save the democracy, of this nation. Otherwise, we know, for those of us from the Labour Congress, we know how we fought for this democracy, and we don't want it to go down the drain. We don't want anybody to drag it to the situation where we hear now we are talking about dictatorship and all that. And when we hear that kind of a thing, we are afraid. Are you getting it? We are afraid that anybody can be thinking of a dictatorship in a country. This is not a banana republic, and we know that definitely we cannot believe that a Democrat like President Tinubu will be thinking of dictatorship. But you don't know what the people that are working with him are trying to do. So our concern is that, yes, you remember that even the APC is a product of a coalition. And so there is nothing wrong with coalition. Even NLC itself has said, we went into anything that will save this country, anything that will, make this country better. We are all out for it. So I don't think that an issue of coalition is a problem. And you can also hear some of the major leaders of this party. When Peter Obi went to ADC, he went with the members, elected officials of Labour Party. And you didn't hear that. If there's going to be a case of resignation, or let me even tell you, we see a situation where we have somebody who is of PDP working for APC. Are you getting it? So it's not. There's no more. Even if anybody does it now, you are not going to be the first who has done it. And I think it was the PRO of a PDP that was saying that we will remain in PDP and work for ADC. Are you getting it? So maybe some elected, some officials who are supposed to be officials of the ADC, people who are supposed to be officials of this can resign from their party and join the APC. But if we want to adopt a candidate, are you getting it? That candidate can come from any party. Are you getting it? And if that candidate needs to resign, and his party will be working, for him, there's nothing wrong there. Any arrangement will be necessary. Are you getting it? To redeem this country. So we are not just bothered about. That's why you see we are going ahead. Even remember, I'm sure those of you in the press will note that Otti, the Governor Otti, has said, "I'm not leaving Labour Party." Are you getting it? So that's it. That is it. So let us just watch and see how this thing unfolds. There's really no need. We're all here. We will see how all those who are panicking because they seem to be in ADC and all that, they can continue to panic, and drink their high blood pressure medicine. to make sure that they don't, go to sleep and not wake up the next morning. But it is all unfolding in our very eyes. A new Nigeria is possible.